Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you what I bought. I've got it for Alfie actually, but I'm really not sure whether it's suitable. Anyway, it's a white noise machine, as you can see, and there are 5 settings, and on each setting I think there are 5 different sounds. For example, if you go on to the nature setting, you've got 5 different nature sounds, or onto stormy weather, you've got 5 different sounds relevant to that. Let me just show you, if I can, how it works. This is rain, stormy weather. Nature sounds. That might actually make you need to go to the bathroom if you listen for too long. I think this is a train. I think this is my favourite, the one with the birds and the nature sounds. Yeah, definitely. Imagine nodding off to sleep listening to this. Or this. Definitely my favourite, the nature, birds, twittering.